Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.